Okay, so we'll go over the ayah 5 of Surah Mulk. Here we see all the blue letters again are qalqala letters, meaning you have to bounce on them. And the bounce usually happens because the letters themselves require you to stop on them with shidda, which means like fast, like there's almost like a impulse to stop all of a sudden. And now that energy with your tongue when you're stopping, I give the example of the ball bouncing, a heavy ball. So what happens is when you throw a ball, it will bounce or it will burst. So the bursting would be air coming out. In that case, that's called hams. But in our case, it will bounce. So the blue letters are bouncing. So here, qad, qad, and here, tad, tad. So these are the two. And in the previous ayah too, we had seen lib, lib, right? So that's one rule. The other rule again is the noon mushaddad. There are two noons here. So making sure we do the kamil gunna with the nose. Yannas, yannas. Notice I'm always just giving a part of the recitation so that you can focus on the letter I'm focusing on. So here we have zayyannas, right? Noon, Tajweed. Second thing we notice is the Hamzatul Wasl. Here we are joining from Noon Fatha to Seen Shadda. So that's another rule. And we have Alif, Muttasal, Wajib, meaning here you have to do the mad. Here there's a wave on top that signifies that it's a long mad. Every time there's a hamza followed by an alif, there's usually 4 to 5 counts. Sometimes it comes between two words, and if you're stopping on the previous word, in that case you could have made it 2 counts. But this is the same word, sama, right? So here, even if you stop, you have to pronounce the hamza. If you stop, you will make the hamza a sukun. But we can, regardless of you stopping or not, the mad will stay 4 to 5 counts. So that's a mad. And then going forward, we have lots of 2 count mads, mad tabi'i. And here we see there's sad fatha, alif saghira, sa, and here too ya fatha, alif sukun, ya. Follow here too. You will notice all the alif saghiras, they're all mad tabi'i, meaning 2 counts. Here also shayateen, and ta kasra, ya sukun, here two counts. So these are all two counts. Pretty straightforward. You just increase the count of the vowel, and then we stop on the last mad here. The last one, as I mentioned in the previous ayahs, they can be 2, 4, or 6, but you have to recite it the same duration in the whole entire sitting of your recitation. So if, let's say, right now you are sitting to recite first 5 ayahs, the first 5 ayahs you chose to make this 2 counts, you will do it 2 counts. Let's say tomorrow again you revisit the surah, same 5 ayahs, and you decide to elongate your stops of the ayats by making it 4 counts. So you can do the next time you recite like that. But in one sitting, whatever you decide should be consistent. Okay, inshallah. So we will begin our recitation with the Nooraniya way.